This is my Jetson Nano smoking detection project. So we'll go ahead and run the commands from the GitHub repository. So just sudo max, and you will hear the fan kick on. So that kicked off. Then after that, we're going to run the start the Docker container. Same sudo. And that's going to give some time. It's going to spin up that Docker file or the Docker container. We'll go ahead and slide this off to the side, and we'll open up another terminal. Let's pull up both terminals. Okay, so we see that smoking container is actually kicking off right here. We see it registering. And what we're going to do here is, from here we will kick off the actual application. For it does human detection, and then it looks for a cigarette in the image. So smoking detection.py, and we see now that our inference server is ready to receive new traffic. So we'll go ahead and kick this off. It does take some time to spin up, once you get the first, to load all the libraries and kick all that up. But once it gets going, you will see it pulls up the window, and I'll walk in front of the camera to show what it's picking up, and you'll actually get to see the inferencing where it shows potential smoker. Right. Here we go. You see it has me detected. You don't see any writing on the bounding box. So when I put a cigarette, you should see potential smoker rendered on the frame. There you have it. The reason for this is because I think there's a lot of issues in certain buildings with fires occurring based on smoking. So this could be one feature of homebrew security for security services, or for reduced insurance risk, or things like that. Here you see, once we've stopped the program, we go into the root folder and we look into capture. There shouldn't be anything in here because this just captures every image from the stream and then runs the inference engine across it. So we look in smoking and see what actually got trapped. And here are the images. Smoking. So of note, it didn't catch any images of me without the cigarette. So that's a good thing. So basically it's using that to say, well, all the only images we got were the images of actual smokers. So that's a good sign also, or that's a good thing. Once again, the model could be trained on a lot more images. The annotation could be a lot more accurate, things like that. But this is just a proof of concept project to show that you can layer the Jetson Nano handles the layering of object detection model with a custom model on the back end of that, and can perform pretty well actually.